How to fix Airtel TV verification code not receiving problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Airtel TV verification code not receiving problem. So for this you have to go to your settings, click on settings, and now you have to go to your install apps. Click on install apps, and now you have to search for messaging. Click on messaging and you can see app permission. So you have to click on app permissions. Now you have to allow all the permission, especially the SMS. Go back and now you have to search for Airtel TV. So click on Airtel TV. You can see app permission. Now you have to allow all the permission. Go back, restart your phone, and you have to reopen the Airtel TV application, and you will receive the verification code. Thanks for watching.